welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza and I recently moved to Pittsburgh a few months ago. So this is my first Christmas living in Pittsburgh. Usually my family gets together for the holidays, which is my parents, my sister Rocio, and my brother Dario. But this year, my parents are actually going to Columbia, where my mom is from, to visit her family. And my brother will be spending Christmas with his new wife and her family. So my sister will actually be visiting me for Christmas, which I'm super excited about. So I really wanted to make this Christmas super special. So I'm going to be going like kind of over the top for the Christmas decorating. Not like over the top, but I'm just putting like a lot more emphasis into it because I want it to be super special for this Christmas. So my apartment is kind of like a boho mid-century feel, so I really wanted my Christmas decor to have a boho feel to it too. So I actually made several of my own DIY boho Christmas ornaments. So I'm very excited to see how everything comes together on the tree. And I'll be putting garlands up and like Christmas decor on shelves and stuff like that. So I thought it would be fun to vlog my decorating process so that you guys can see what everything looks like, and I'm super excited about it. So let's go ahead and get started. So here are the clay ornaments that I made. I've got several rainbows here. I also ended up making some triangles by making circles, cutting them in half, and then cutting them in half again. And then I have these circular ones as well, which I haven't finished yet. I'm not sure that I'm going to be using those, so we'll just kind of see what it looks like as I start putting decorations up the tree. And then I also have these really cute bead ornaments that I made. Each one of them is different. Some of them have like 3 small beads on them. Some of them have a big bead and a small bead. So several different ones there. Some of them are messier than others. I did like tape to do color blocking and then dipped them in paint. So they're a little bit messy. These are all kind of, they're not like perfect. They're just like DIY ornaments, but they're giving off that boho vibe that I wanted. I'm gonna be putting the tree up in this corner right here, right next to the ugly vents, which basically that's like where our gas heating comes out of, so I can't actually block them, which is so annoying because I feel like they look hideous on that wall. But maybe the tree will kind of block them a little bit. Okay, I've got the tree all fluffed, and I put down this blanket that I thrifted as the tree skirt. I love the coral color of it. So now I'm going to start hanging ornaments. I was just about to start stringing the lights, but I realized that there is no outlet over here by the tree, so I might have to get like an extension cord to the nearest outlet, or I might just move it, we'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish stringing it and then putting the ornaments on, and we'll figure it out later. Okay, so next I'm going to put the star on top of the tree and hang these wood bead garlands that I got from Walmart. I love the boho look of these. They're 12-foot garlands, so I don't know if I'm gonna need both of them. I just got 2 to be safe, so we'll see. So I opened up the second one. These definitely never go as far as you think they're going to, so I'm glad I got 2. Okay, so now we're getting to the fun part, which is hanging the ornaments. I made these little rainbow and bead boho style ornaments. I'll start hanging those. I also have these little gift toppers that I got at Target. They're from the Hearth and Hand collection, And I got them thinking that I could use them as ornaments because I kind of liked how they have like that boho kind of macrame style feel to them. And then I also have this bead garland from the Hearth and Hand collection that I'll use if it looks like the tree needs like a little bit more proof to it. If not, I might use these on my other garlands that I'll be hanging next. So I was thinking that I would start hanging these, but they actually have like this huge long rope to them. In my mind, I was thinking that they were more like this and that you just like tied them to the top of your gift, but I guess it's actually meant to be like wrapped around a gift or something. So I'm debating whether or not I should take scissors and just like cut them like how I thought they were gonna be, or if that's gonna be like a waste. So I don't know, I might just finish hanging like my DIY ornaments and then see what I think. Okay, so I'm hanging these little triangular pieces that I made now. Okay, so I have the tree mostly decorated now. I'm going to switch to hanging the garlands. Growing up, we always would hang little ornaments from the garlands too, because my abuelita, my mom's mom, used to make like tons of handmade Christmas decorations for us. She like lived with us when I was growing up. And so we always used all of her decorations and then some that my dad got from his mom that he had like growing up, and then also ornaments that we bought. So we always had tons of ornaments. We would hang garlands everywhere and hang ornaments from the garlands. So I'm kind of like debating whether or not I want to leave the garlands simple or if I want to hang little ornaments from them as well. So I'm going to save some of the ornaments for that and see if I like it, and if not, then I'll hang them on the tree. So we'll see, but let's get started on the garland now. So I'm thinking of hanging one of the garlands here, right off of my kitchen, and then the other garland from this doorway here, which is a little narrow, so I'll probably have to hang it on the outside of that door frame. I think this one should be hung on the inside of the frame, so we'll start with that one. I got these 9-foot garlands at Target. They were buy one, get one half off. I think they were like $5 each, so it was a pretty good deal. And 9 feet should be plenty long enough to do these doorways. I got a chair here that I'm gonna be using to hang these up. I really need to get like a little step stool or like a little mini ladder or something, but I don't have one right now, so I'm gonna be using the chair. And then I'm just gonna be hanging them with tacks. So hopefully the tacks will hold them. It might take me a little bit because our walls here are like super hard. Some of them aren't, some of them are just like regular, but some of them are super, super hard because I think there's like plaster or like sheetrock or something behind them. So hopefully this will not be super difficult. Someone will be coming to install these shelves right here along this wall, and I'm thinking of hanging a garland from the shelves and putting like some Christmas decor on there as well. So I am going to hold off on the rest of my decorating until that's done. I've got a couple more of these garlands and I want to hang one of them from the shelves, and then the other one I might trim so that I can put the other half of it on the rest of the door frames. They weren't quite long enough to go down both sides, so I'm thinking if I could trim one in half, then I can use half on each door frame so that they're fully wrapped. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and start hanging my little DIY ornaments on the garlands just to see if I like the way that that looks. I might end up leaving them simple, but it just depends on if I like the way that the ornaments look on the garlands or not. So we are going to start decorating them and then I'll decide from there. I just finished decorating this and filming it for a different YouTube video, but I wanted to include it in my Christmas Decorate With Me video as well. I got these little faux Christmas trees from Target from the dollar section. I think they were like $3 each. And then this garland I think was $5 at Target. And then the wood bead garland is from the Hearth and Hand collection, and I think it was like 15 or something. So that's how that looks like. I just got these shelves. These shelves are brand new. They were installed last night, and this is exactly what I had in my head when I was imagining them, especially decorated for Christmas. So I'm super, super happy with it. And I just got my Christmas stockings I ordered on Amazon. They came in this like very creepy packaging. I think it's like sectioned together. It's supposed to be 4. I can't see how it could possibly be 4, but they must have like squeezed them in here. So I'm gonna open this and show you guys what they look like. Okay, so here's one. Okay, yeah, so it looks like there's 4. So they're these like, ew, India's like trying to lick them. White like wool knit yarn stockings. I love the look of these. They're like very like Bohemian, but also like traditional Christmas stockings. So I got a set of 4, and I figured there'd be one for me, one for Rocio, and one for Skylar, and then eventually I'll use the extra 2 for like kids in the future. So I know exactly where I'm gonna hang these, and I'm gonna show you guys where that is. So I don't have a fireplace, but I figured that this little wood shelf thing would be perfect for hanging the stockings. I'm gonna switch these out. I'm gonna take down I think most of the purses for now. We'll see. Okay, so here's how it turned out. I just mixed it in with some of my purses, and I think it's the perfect little makeshift area for hanging stockings. So it actually ended up taking me several days to finish all of my Christmas decorating, so I'm filming the outro on a different day. I seriously love how my apartment has turned out for this Christmas. I think that my sister is going to love it, and I love like the boho feel of everything, and I love that everything was like handmade and really special. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.